आता JERC कडे बरेच पावर्स आणि फंक्शन्स असतात ते किरे आय विल मेन्शन 3. पहिले असा ते रेग्युलेशन ऑफ टॅरिफ्स, दुसरे प्रमोशन ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन आणि थर्ड एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ऑफ स्टँडर्ड्स फॉर क्वालिटी सेफ्टी अँड रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ पॉवर सप्लाय. आता हे 3 पॉइंट जे आम्ही मेन्शन केले तातूंत मातशें आमी डिटेलान या. पयलो पॉइंट regulation of tariff. One of its primary function is to determine electricity tariffs for distribution licensees and consumers. It also determines the terms and conditions for the sale of electricity, including the regulation of wheeling, banking and trading of electricity. दुसरे असा प्रमोशन ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. आता हे म्हणजे कितें? JERC is also responsible for promoting competition in the electricity sector by regulating the entry and the exit of players in the market. It establishes rules and regulations to ensure a level playing field for all participants, including generators, distributors, and consumers. And तीसरा point, establishment of standards for the quality, safety, and reliability of power supply. Ata, under this, finally JERC establishes standards for quality, safety, and reliability of power supply. This includes establishing norms for voltage fluctuations, frequency, and interruption of supply, as well as safety standards for the installation and operation of electrical equipments. आता व्हडल्या राज्यांनी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन लायसन्स जे आसा ते वेगवेगळ्या प्रायव्हेट पार्टीजांक दिल्ले जाता. आता आमच्या गोंयान there is only one distribution license, that is the government of Goa, which is electricity department.